What's up, guys? This is Bronson Borsini here, and I'll be showing you guys my prize booth. So first off, this is prizes. It's $1 and it only takes quarters. So what you do, it says put in 4 quarters. But what if you don't read it and you accidentally put in
a dime, a nickel, and a penny?
So watch. I gotta put in the penny. It won't work. The nickel, it won't work. The dime, it won't work. But if I put in the 4 quarters,
oh, that must be that stuck.
1, 2, 3, and 4. So now, after I did that, I go up here, grab the key. Now I insert the key. What happens, so ready, I'm inserting it into the machine. What? Oh my gosh, I got a monster truck. Well, thank you guys for watching and hope you liked the video. Also, I can make a tutorial if we get to 20 subscribers and 50 likes. Like I said the last video. All right, see ya. Bye.
Bye, guys.